Hello, my name is Mary Murdoch. I'm from Eldersburg, Maryland, and I recently graduated from the University of Maryland College Park with a BA in English Language and Literature. This summer, I was a junior fellow in the Literary Initiatives Office in the Center for Learning, Literacy, and Engagement. Over the course of this fellowship, my work has been primarily focused on the 2021 National Book Festival and specifically creating and organizing content for the Festival Near You component of the website. The Festival Near You and the virtual format overall are important ways in which the Library of Congress is expanding the reach and accessibility of the National Book Festival. The National Book Festival is typically an annual gathering of authors and book lovers in the nation's capital in September, with the most recent in-person festivals featuring more than 100 authors and drawing more than 200,000 attendees to the Washington Convention Center. In 2020, however, the public health threat of the COVID-19 virus required the library to adapt, and the National Book Festival was held completely virtually for the first time. This year, we plan to hold the festival primarily online once again, with the addition of some in-person ticketed events held on the Library of Congress campus. It will be expanded to a 10-day event from September 17th to the 26th. The Festival Near You is an initiative that is completely new this year. It will feature programming by local partner organizations, including the affiliate centers for the book, as well as the Great Reads from Great Places picks from each affiliate center. The Festival Near You landing page on the website features an interactive map on which attendees can click any state or territory whose programming they're interested in, or use the drop-down menu. They will be taken to a page that features locally hosted events at the top. If they scroll down, they will see the Affiliate Center's 2021 Great Reads from Great Places selection with a description of the book, the author, and why the book was chosen to represent that state or territory. All local programs will also be organized on a separate page with a sortable format. By working on the Festival Near You, I am proud to have played a part in giving attendees the opportunity to celebrate reading with the Library of Congress and its partners and affiliates on both a local and a national scale. Though recordings of associated programs are typically available to the public as virtual videos on demand for months following an in-person festival, the new virtual format has continued to expand its reach. A survey conducted after the fully virtual 2020 National Book Festival found that there were more first-time attendees than in previous years, some of whom had always wanted to attend but couldn't because of work, travel expenses, disability, or age. Folks attended from all over the United States, and one respondent remarked that it was the first truly national festival. The Festival Near You is an exciting addition to the expanded reach of the virtual festival, which directly works toward the mission of the Center for Learning, Literacy, and Engagement to connect diverse communities of users with the library's collections and services, enabling and inspiring them to engage, learn, and create. I am proud to have worked on this project this summer and grateful to have been selected by the Library of Congress. Thank you for watching this display day presentation.